In order to achieve the maximum occupancy of the managed properties, the property manager sets a bespoke marketing strategy in line with the property specifications and the client's own marketing guidelines. He then links this marketing strategy to a robust and streamlined leasing process that involves the leasing agents and the compliance departments. The goal is to convert the leads generated by the marketing activities into signed lease agreements. How does it work? The property manager ensures that any unit that is vacant or about to be vacant is passed on to the leasing agents along with the targeted client's profile and the asked rent rates. The leasing agents arrange for the property to be advertised and subsequently viewed by the prospective tenants. Proper due diligence is then undertaken to screen the tenants and process the paperwork to sign the lease agreement and collect the rent checks. At Chesterton, we offer a one-stop shop solution for marketing, leasing and property management. If you are interested in our services or you would like to know more, please get in touch with us. Thank you.